Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix games not opening on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. In registry you just need to expand the H key classes root and find .exe. .exe, just click on it. On right side double click on the default and make sure the value data is exe file and click on OK. Scroll down and find exe file. Here is the exe file. Just click on it. On right side, you just need to double click on the default and in here you just need to type in value data application a caps letter. After typing it, click on OK. And now you just need to expand the exe file and expand the shell. Select the open. On right side double click on the default and in value data make sure the value data is empty over here like this, nothing is written, and select OK and just to close stuff here and restart our PC. After restarting our PC your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.